I love cooking soup the most, and today we are making oha soup, not just for my family, but for friends that always, stop by to check on us. I'm using mushroom, fish, meat, stockfish, palm oil, achi, and this kind of periwinkle. I don't know the name. Salt, pepper, oziza seed, prawn, dry oporo, snail, dry oha, meat broth. So I love to introduce my ingredients. Now pour the meat stock, add beef, add the stockfish, add pepper, add seasoning, add salt, add that stuff that looks like periwinkle, add palm oil. That stuff that looks like periwinkle is periwinkle, but I don't know the name, you know, is optional. Once the soup starts boiling, it's time to add the achi. I'm using achi instead of ede. Ede is preferable for oha soup, but I don't have access for that. Add the fish. Now mix it a little bit, like turn it a little bit. Cover it to cook very well, like 10 minutes or 20 minutes. It's time to grind the oporo and uziza seed together. Uziza seed gives it a good taste. Anytime I'm making oha, I love to use uziza seed or fresh uziza leaf. So the soup has fully cooked. As you can see, the color has changed. I added the mushroom, oporo and uziza seed, then my snail. Snail is always optional. If you don't like snail, always skip it. It's not part of the how to cook oha. Is another source of protein that I love to add. It's time to add the oha leaf. It's brown. It's supposed to be very greenish in color. Adibin, I'm using the fresh one, so don't go there and be asking them oha that is brown. No, oha is greenish color. It's a dried one that I'm using right here. The soup is ready. Take a look at that oha soup. I wish I have fresh oha. You would have seen how the color looks like. I love to dish out my soup to store in the fridge for pass for friends and family, anyone that pass by. They love to stop by to eat authentic Nigerian soup. So I always like to make it available. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I will always be here to answer all your questions. See you guys in my next cooking video or